Today, I'm recounting how Sengezo Tshabangu outmaneuvered Nelson Chamisa in the buzzing political arena of Zimbabwe. It all started in the city of Bulawayo. Here, a significant legal battle unfolded involving the control of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, offices. The High Court in Bulawayo became the stage for this drama. Justice David Mangota delivered a ruling that would send ripples across the political landscape. Now imagine this. Despite not being physically present, Nelson Chamisa was linked to the occupation of the CCC's provincial party house. How? Through the wonders of modern technology. The judge's words were piercing, noting, "He who acts through another acts himself." It wasn't just about who was there, but who had influence, and from where. The twist comes with Sengezo Tshabangu, who just days before the court decision, met with none other than President Emmerson Mnangagwa. This meeting stirred whispers of alliances and strategies. It wasn't long before the court sided with Tshabangu, granting him control over the CCC Bulawayo offices. But let's not overlook the implications here. This case isn't just about a local office squabble. It's about power, influence, and the future direction of a major political party in Zimbabwe. The ruling not only showcased the internal conflicts within the CCC, but also highlighted how technology and legal strategies are reshaping political battles. So what does this mean for the future of Zimbabwean politics? This ruling sets a precedent, suggesting that physical presence is not necessary for one to exert influence or even be held accountable. It's a game changer, and perhaps a wake-up call for political figures to rethink their strategies in this digital age. As we wrap up, this saga between Tshabangu and Chamisa is far from over. With the political stage constantly shifting, who knows what the next act will bring? But one thing is clear. The battle for control within the CCC is not just about who sits in an office. It's about who can cleverly navigate the murky waters of politics, technology, and law. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, the world of politics is often more intricate and suspenseful than any fiction. Keep your eyes peeled as we continue to explore these fascinating developments. See you next time.